Okay, so looking back on our 8 weeks of training with Sally for the breaststroke, so for week 1 we worked on sculling and body position. This is just essentially to see Sally's fundamentals in the water and to know where to move on from there. Sally was very proficient in this area. So after doing an assessment and identifying some areas of improvement, we decided to isolate some of the skills involved in the breaststroke. So in week 2 we worked on focusing on legs. So in week 3 we kind of continued and progressed that, kind of removing the floaties, and moved on again then to week 4, just kind of implementing the arms well isolated from the legs. Beyond that, then we just progressed the arms the same as we progressed the legs. And then into week 6 we decided to put both legs and arms together, just to kind of work on timing and just get used to that aspect, because that was the area that we identified that needed improving, which was the sequence of hands, legs, breathing all together. So in week 7 then we progressed again to putting the head underwater, getting the timing of the head, the legs, the hands in the correct order and sequence. And then in week 8 we gave Sally the opportunity to practice her skill, and then we assessed how she did in the previous 8 weeks. So overall, the area that was identified that needed work was just a sequence of hands, legs and breathing, and Sally was successful in this in her final assessment.
So as the performer then, during my initial assessment I felt quite confident in my ability in the water as a performer. But I didn't realise that the sequence of my stroke was off, so it was good to be able to work on each component individually in terms of the arms and the legs skills themselves, and then to be able to work on the sequence, which that actually was a real challenge for me. So then in the final practical assessment I was able to put it all together, and I was happy with the result.